Alright guys, as you can see clearly here on this website, you can literally make money online just by completing tasks, right? It is called Respondent.io. Some people know about this website, some people don't know about this website, but the most problem you guys have on this website is to get a work email, right? As you can see right here, I've made over $60 right here, and also I was invited for another job right here, right, which costs around $130. Let me show you guys very quick. You can see right here it says start a project, right? This costs around $130, and I'm about to finish, right? This website pays you a lot. So but one thing you need is a work email, which I'll guide you guys step by step on how you can create it. So let's get right into it. The first thing we'll be doing is to go to this website called namecheap.com. So when you get to this website namecheap.com, we're about to get a domain for ourselves. So let's just go into the website like this. All right, right here, you either sign up if you don't have an account. Most of you won't have an account, so make sure you sign up or you log in if you have an account. So because I have an account on this website, it's very, very easy to create an account. Just have your email and password, verify your email, and that's how you can start. So let me log into my account. All right, guys, I've logged into my account. So the next thing I want to do here is to search for a domain. So what we're about to do is to look for a domain so we can be able to create our work email, because if you want to get a work email, you need a domain, right? So this domain will serve as your business email, right? And I'll be teaching you guys how to get a business email for a lifetime. You don't need to subscribe again. All right, so here you put in any name, like you can put in your name, any name at all, right? So let me just look for, like, let me say clipping. Let me see. All right, I've checked for clipping, but I see that most of their domain are very, very costly. Now I search for fellowship as well. I saw that many of their domain are very, very costly. I can see these are the amount of their domain right here, but this is very, very kind of very cheap, right? But I found another one that is very, very cheap, right, which costs around 0.98 cents, right? As you can see right here, this is it, fellow.online. This one I'm not using it to create a website. I just want to use it as a gateway to get a business email, right? I'm teaching you what people will never teach you on this internet space. Now you go to direct to checkout, right? Because you need to buy this email. So let's go to checkout. All right, here you will see everything that it entails. I don't want to put auto renew because this is just for a tutorial. If you need this business email, because I won't be using it, send me a DM. All right, so this is for 1 year, right? As you can see, 1 year subscription, right? This is for the domain, not the business email. All right, but for you to maintain the business email, you have to maintain the domain. Just know that. Don't click on anything here, right? Just click on confirm order, right? Confirm order right there. All right, they will tell you to confirm your payment method, right? The one you want to use to pay. You will need your Visa card or your MasterCard to be able to pay, either Nigeria or any other account, right? So let me pay real quick. So after you're putting all your info, just click on pay now. All right, I've completed the purchase. As you can see, thank you for your purchase. Your order has been made, right? So that's it. Now what you need to do is to find your domain, right? Tap on this your username up here, then go to dashboard. Here you will see your domain you bought, right? As you can see, this is the domain I just bought, and it's expiring on July 2027. So we will be using this domain soon. So let's go back to the next website. Go to your search bar and search for Cloudflare. Cloudflare right here. So here on Cloudflare, this is where we'll be getting the free domain, right? So tap on it like this. It will take you here, right? All of this does not mean anything, all right? Just read through if you want to understand how Cloudflare works. Okay, all we are doing here is to get a free domain. All right, nobody knows this yet. I am very, very sure about it, very, very sure about it, that I'm the first person. So click on login. That's if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up, right? You need to sign up. Okay, so since I have an account, I'm logging into my account straight up. All right, now I'm in my account, right? It should bring you to this dashboard where you need to add, right? Click on the add button right there, then you click on connect domain, right? Connect domain. This step we're about to take will take some time, right? So take note of that. So I'll go and copy the domain I have just bought and paste it here. So I'll come here and paste it like this. Then I'll just scroll down, then click on continue. All right, right here you will see where they ask you to choose either free or you want to pay. Don't choose the pay, just go for the free version. Select free plan. If you are finding any value in this video, please and please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more updates for you guys. Okay, that's the little way you guys can be able to help me. And if you want to learn more about making money online, check the link below. Join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. And yeah, let's continue from there. So right here, you can see they will show you some errors. Just leave all those errors and scroll down. Click on continue to activation. Then click on confirm. Right here, they will tell you that log into your DNS provider, most likely your registrar name chip, right? So replace your current name servers. Now they'll give you two name servers, right? Which is this. You have to copy both of them, right? You have to copy both of them and go to your name chip website. So now I'll copy both of them right here, the first and the second. Then I'll go back to them. Right here on name chip, click on manage. So scroll down, then you see where it says name servers. This is the name servers, right? Tap on custom DNS, then the first name server that Cloudflare give you, paste it here. Then the second name server they give you, paste it here. Then save it. Click on this. This is it. Tap on it. Then automatically it will be saved, but it will take some hours or some minutes before it can show, right? As you can see, say 48 hours to take effect. As you can see. So sometimes it takes minutes, right? Hopefully this one be very fast so we can get right into business. So go back to Cloudflare, then scroll down. You see where it says I updated my name server. Tap on it. All right, here is it. You see, tell you that they are waiting for to verify the name servers in 1 to 2 hours, but may take up to 24 hours depending on your registrar. So we are checking status periodically, right? So now I'll just tap on check name servers now, and Cloudflare is now checking the name server for fellow.online. Please wait few hours for an update. So yeah, that's how it is. Hopefully it gets fast, unless this video will just not complete. Alright guys, so if you check the time from that time that we added to now, you can see the domain is now protected by Cloudflare, so it is connected. So as you can see, it does not take like 1 hour on that, so you can calculate the timing. I did not even check it. Okay, so now it's time to connect the domain. It's time to create our work email, right? So let's get to the next. So tap on these three lines up here, then you will see email right here. Tap on it, then you will see email routine, right? Tap on it like this. All right, as you can see, they will show you this, right? You have one domain and all that, everything like that. So this, scroll here, then you go to destination email address, then add one email address here. As you can see, I've added one of my email address and verified it, right? Add one email address here. Let me just add this, then add address. So they will send a link to your email. Verify. So this is the email. Copy it like this, then paste it here like this. All right, as you say, verifying email address. So let's wait. But before we continue, let me talk about the sponsor of this video. The sponsor of this video is GEONIX. GEONIX is a website that gives you access to good residential proxy, right? They said different type of proxies. They said different type of proxies. If you click on this quick order right here, they have IPv4, IPv6, they have ISP, they have mobile proxy, and they have residential proxy. If you are that want to make money using either website testing, AI jobs, or online surveys, this website gives you residential proxies that work for any site you want to work on. The amount you see me making right here is not only by grace, but they have their own part in it. All right, their proxy is very good that you can use for Respondent and any other site. All right, so if you want to get good residential proxy, this is how you do it. Come right here to residents, then tap on pay as you go. Choose the bandwidth you want. All right, this bandwidth literally works like a mobile data, right? It's not like you subbing your data, right? So if you want 7 gig, 3 gig, they have it. So let's go for 3 gig As you can see, this is the pricing, but if you want it to reduce, this is how to do it. Tap on buy proxy, then go right here, scroll down. You can change this from social media to other purposes, from Amazon to crypto. That's what I use, right? Then payment option, you can choose MasterCard, or if you have USDT, you can choose it. But if you don't have any of that, send me a message. I'll help you to purchase it. All right. So here, to put an email address, make sure you sign up before you start buying, right? Make sure you sign up on this website. Use the link in the description. Okay, if you use any link you see in the description in the comments, you'll be able to buy it for this pricing I'm giving you guys. Okay, so tap on apply code, then put this code right there. Okay, make sure you read the link below so you'll be able to get this discount and give you guys. Tap on James survey, then you'll be able to see that the pricing will reduce for you. Then you tap on pay. From there you have access to your residential project. If you want a full step-by-step video, I've created it. Check the link in the below, and I've created a step-by-step video on how you can buy proxy and use it, right? So let's get right back into the video. So now it says your email address is now verified. Go email routine. All right, so let's go. We're about to finish. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share the video to your status. All right, help me share this video. Okay. All right, you'll be here. You see these disables. Just leave it. Then go to routing rules right here. Click on create routing rules. Tap on select domain. Tap on the domain right here. Tap on this. Send to an email. Click on the destination email. Choose one of the email you have connected, right? Then now here you just need to put any name, right, which you want it to carry. You can put like support, the business email, right? Support, then it will not carry your own ad. As you can see, it will carry your own ad. Make sure this one is small email. Let me just small alphabet, right? Then it will complete like this: support at fellow does online, right? Stuff like that. Okay, or you can just put your name, but I'll leave it at support, right? I'll leave it at support. All right, or I can even put any motion right there, but it's very long, so let me just put it like this. Make sure this your alphabet should be small letter, right? Then click on save. From there you will have your own email, right? As you can see, this is it. So any message that comes into this email, it will go directly to your own email, right? Now you have your own lifetime business email that you can use to create your respondent account. All right, so in my next video I'll be showing you guys how to create a respondent account, only if I get enough comments, all right, on how to create a respondent account, because respondent is not easy to create like that. But if you want me to help you create an respondent account from scratch, I will use this particular email we created, all right, and you guys will see that it is possible to be created, right, and also how to apply for jobs. So make sure you share this video, subscribe, and use GEONIX if you want to get good proxies. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.